beautiful woman. What is a beautiful girl like you doing on this lonely path? Don't you know you can be raped or even kidnapped? This place is dangerous. Maka, what are you doing here? No. Oh, Adama, what are you doing here? Beautiful woman. Hoppy, let's go now. Oh, Sugar, my love. Hey, fine woman. Hoppy, let's go. Ah, what are you doing here now? Fine woman. Asa. Oh. Asanwa. Imela or Anita. Anita, I want to introduce you to someone. Amaka, meet my younger sister, Anita. Anita, meet Amaka, the girl I love, the girl I want to get married to. See, in fact, we are getting married next week. Oh, look at her now. Oh, turn around, let them look at you. You want to get married to her? Yes, I'm getting married to her next week. Look at her now. Turn around. Oh, Asa.
John.
See, I love her.
You're getting married to her?
Yes.
Next week?
Yes.
Come, I said
wait,
come.
Wait.
I said come.
Anita, what is it now? See, I just let Amaka there. What is the problem? What's the problem? I can't leave Amaka there now.
What did you say back there?
I said I am getting married to her next week. I love her.
John, you left this house this morning complaining how single you are. And you're bringing a girl that you want to get married to.
It doesn't matter if I left you, but can't you see how beautiful this girl is? She is so beautiful. I love her.
Where did you meet this girl?
I met her today.
Jesus. John, and you want to get married to her today?
Yes.
When does it happen? You want to just meet her today, you want to get married to her?
Yes.
As long as I'm alive, you're not getting married to her.
What did you say?
You're not getting married to her.
See,
as long as
it is none of your business. I am getting married to Amaka, and that is final, and I don't want to hear it again.
See, John, no. Meet a girl today, want to get married to her. No, I need to help my brother. I need to help him before he falls into a big well.
Welcome to Egelege Shrine. This is the mouthpiece of the gods. Speak, and your wish shall be granted.
Baba, my brother is in a very big mess. My brother has been single for years. He has been single for years, and he left the house single. I know my brother is sick, and he met a strange girl, and he said he wants to get married to her that same day. A strange girl he doesn't know from anywhere. He just met her and he wants to get married to her. But where does it happen now? I don't want you to get married to her. I don't want you to not get married to her. I don't want you to get married to her. Please, something.
What do you want me? Hey? I'm in San Francisco, Wami. Hey? What do you want me? Hey?
Egelege! The gods have spoken. Hear from the gods. Your brother's soul has been taken by the girl he met yesterday. Your brother's soul has traveled far enough for him to redeem it. Something has to be done by us.
Baba, anything that can be done, anything that you people can do, you should help me, please. It's my only brother. Anything that can be done, please, people should help me, please.
Silence! Pay attention to the gods. Yes! Your servant heareth. For your brother's soul to be retrieved, you need to bring 3 blue cockroach, 5 mosquito egg, 15 jellyfish, and 1 baby shark. Those are the items you need for your brother's soul to be retrieved.
Papa, those things are impossible to get to. Where can I find them? Where can I find all those things? They're impossible to get to. Where can I find them?
These items are not for the ordinary to get. Give us the money and we will get them.
How much is the money?
It is only 400,000.
I'll get the money for you. This evening, I'm bring the money for you. I'll get the money.
You better be fast. We close 5 o'clock for security reasons.
I'll bring the money. I'll bring it this evening.
Be fast about it. You can go.
Thank you.
Madam or Mrs. Anita or whatsoever they call you. You think you can stop your brother from getting married to me? Listen, for your information, you are too powerless to stop me. Can't you see this? Look at this. This is so beautiful. I mean, beautiful.
See, uncle. See, we need to pimp this shrine. I'm telling you the truth. It looks so unkept and it doesn't look real, uncle. We need to meet Mastercraft. The people that used to craft all this shrine, all this ekeleke them. You understand? Let the person craft a better ekeleke look.
Baba, the sacrifice food did not work. Oh, it did not work. As a matter of fact, I even saw her. She came to my house. She was showing off her ring. It did not work. Oh, you should do it. I beg. It did not work. Do it again, please. It did not work. Cancel sacrifice that one.
Sister, we saw her yesterday on our mirror that she was too strong than the sacrifice. Last time you paid 400,000. This time you need to pay 1 million.
Are you mad? Are you mad? I should pay 1 million. I paid 400,000 last time. It did not work. I should pay 1 million. Are you mad?
Nobody can take me away from your brother.